Remove the battery, the SIM card, and take the screws out. Put them in a safe place. Remove the back. And then you have access to the motherboard. I've loosened the flex cables. There's 4 of them. There. So you just want to lift the motherboard out. Okay. The area that you want to heat on the motherboard is this area here. On some models it doesn't have this metal cover. So using a heat gun, or I just use a hair dryer, just apply a mild heat to this area here for a minute. I'm going to do that now. Now just let it cool down, and then we want to put it back together. So now that it's cooled down a bit, we can put it back together, connecting the 4 flex cables. So the camera, the motherboard, and the screen. Okay. We'll put the SIM card back in. Now it's starting up. Hopefully this will work for you too. Thanks for watching.